What's up, YouTubers? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how I get this look. Check out my eyes. Inspired by the Bahamian flag, because my husband and I are going on our 10-year anniversary cruise to the Bahamas. And so I'm coming across a couple of different looks and outfits and hairdos that I'm gonna rock for the trip. So I just did my hair, and you can catch that video on the link. It's either going to be up there or it's going to be down there, but make sure you check out that video on how I do this hair. It takes me like not even 5 minutes because I'm going to be in the water a lot, so I got to do something quick, simple, fast that I can do even if my hair is wet. So this is the look. Today's video, I have one Instagram find, and that Instagram find was in here. It's a magnetic, oh gosh, let me see if I can open it. It's kind of like a magnetic base / holder for these magnetic Snap-A-Lashes that I have on. This was my first time wearing false lashes. How do they look to you? Leave your comments below. Healthy comments, always welcome. So I think I did a pretty good job. These, I found them on Instagram. They're called the Snap-A-Lashes, and pretty much you have to use their eyeliner in here, or whatever it is that will allow your magnetic lashes to adhere. So it's very liquidy. There we go. Looks just like your regular liner for your eyeline when you're doing your eyeliner. So it's just that, and then it comes in these, and literally that's it. It doesn't come with any instructions or any how-tos, so I guess I just had to figure it out, and I think I figured it out, but we'll see. As I wear them more and more, I'll figure out if they last longer, and I'll figure out if I'm doing it correctly. So they were pretty easy to put on. I think where I had a harder time was putting on the mascara, because I put them on first and then I did my mascara. I think that if you pull too hard, well, yeah, they're gonna come off. So that's what I was coming across. So that was really the toughest part for me, and besides the fact that I've never worn false lashes, so I have no experience really with these lashes. So I think the next time what I'm going to do though is when I put on the eyeliner, I'm going to make that line a lot thicker, and trying not to mess up your eyes that you've done and to get it there just right. I just had a bunch of mascara on my hands, but other than that, I mean, they work great. They seem to work great. Don't come and try to pull my lashes off. That's the only thing. That, and don't ever pull off one of my wigs. So I'm enjoying them now. So this is one of the looks that I'm gonna do for our Bahamas cruise for my anniversary. Yes, I've been blessed to come across a man who is my soulmate. He understands me and I understand him, and we're still learning each other. And I would have to say that the biggest takeaway from our relationship to date is the lines of communication have to be open. It's a matter of understanding one another and not trying to change who the other person is to be who you want them to be. And the same as them not trying to change you to make you who they want you to be. Highly important. Okay, so that was my Instagram find, and then I used also this new palette that I got. Morphe. Give it up for James Charles. He has some awesome colors in there. I was gonna go for a different palette, but I went with this one because this one has more colors on it, and I love the fact that he has so many colors on his palette. So it's a James Charles Artistry Palette. I had so much fun with this. And then for my lips, I found this Perfect Pair Duo Parfait by Anastasia. Alright. And this one here, I found it at Marshall's for $4. So, I mean, hey, you can't beat that. But that was within my price range, because I already bought the palette. I mean, hey now. What else? What else? I'm also using another new product to me, new to me of course, and this is my Too Faced Shadow Insurance Champagne. It's a nude shimmer eyeshadow primer. There we go. I mean, I'm looking for a really good eyeshadow primer, so please leave me some info, some advice on a good eyeshadow base in the comments below, please, because I'm looking for something really awesome. And this is nice. I do give it a thumbs up because it does what it's supposed to do. It does what it says it's going to do, but it's, to me, I think that I don't know, I feel like I'm looking for something of better quality. Okay, so without further delay, let's get started on how I got this Bahamian inspired glam look. Hope you like it. Alright, I'm going to get through this kind of quickly here. I'm starting off with my Avon Magix primer. Then I'm moving to my eyebrows with some Wonder 2 eyebrow gel. And I'm letting that dry up while I conceal. Now I'm concealing, mixing my colors. Now it's time for my Covergirl Trublend foundation. Next I'm going to start my eyebrows. I'm going to go over my Wonder 2 eyebrow gel with my Kohl Color Icon pencil, Wet n Wild, and then my LA Color Auto Liner. And then I'm going to just clean it all up with some concealer. Master Conceal by Maybelline, and also the LA Girl Pro Conceal. That's the HD High Definition Concealer. Next I'm going to prime my eyes with this nude shimmer Shadow Insurance in the color Champagne by Too Faced. Still waiting for you guys to comment below and leave me some info or some advice on the best eyeshadow base that you know of that I'd be interested in trying. So right now I'm coming in with my James Charles palette in the color B. It's a nice deep yellow. And then I'm gonna go to the color Playground, which is like a sea blue, aquamarine looking blue. And these colors are representing the Bahamian flag for the trip to Bahamas. I'm so excited, I can't wait. So I'm here getting my looks ready for our 10-year anniversary Bahamian cruise. And then of course to complete the eyes, I'm going to move to the black which is the color Spooky. But before I do that, I'm going to wipe off all the excess. And then I'm coming in with Spooky. And then I'm going to try to blend it in as best as I can. This is such a nice and deep black. I'm loving it. I love it, I love it, I love these colors a lot. Just so much fun to play with the different colors while I practice. I think my look is coming along here. I'm going to try to blend it all out so it doesn't look that harsh. Trying to get that smoke effect. Like I just seen flames. And then I'm coming in with a final touch of Code James, which is kind of like the touch of a sunset. Oh, the beach, here I come. Alright, so I'm just putting some translucent powder on my face, using a big brush and a small brush to get the small areas. Time for the lashes. Snap-A-Lash. Here I come. I'm adding my eyeliner, the magnetic eyeliner. And next time I wear this, I'm going to make that line a little thicker so that I can have a little more wiggle room when I'm applying the lashes. And I forget that I'm on camera here. So let me see if I could get this on the camera. They snap on pretty well, and I am just trying to get it on that line. I'm trying to get it down as close to my lashes as I can. And it's working, but I'm still adjusting. Honestly, when I'm out on the boat, I really don't think I'm gonna put the false lashes on. I think that part right there is just for the video, but the makeup, yes, I will do. But these lashes are pretty neat. I'm actually digging these. I'd much rather this than a pair with glue on. So I am going the wrong way because I'm obviously pulling them off right now. Let me re-adhere. There they go. And they really do snap back into place. So now, let me go the other direction. There we go. From the bottom up, bottom up. Can't quite shake that habit of coming around from behind. Bottom up. This is interesting, but I'm enjoying this. I've always seen a lot of women wearing false lashes, and I thought I'd never try them, but when I seen this on the infomercial on Instagram, I was like, I gotta try these. Let me see if they really work, and yes, they do work. So tell me what you think in the comments below. I think I did pretty good, y'all. Alright, so I'm contouring now with my black Radiance Pressed powder, color Ebony. Blending that out. And then I'm going to highlight a little bit. Don't usually highlight. Sometimes I do. Getting my nose there. Now, time for the lips. Using that Anastasia Lip Parfait Duo. The colors will be in the description box below. I can tell that I'm going to enjoy this color. It's pretty nice, and it goes on smoothly. Alright, now I'm setting this look with my Wet n Wild setting spray. Ah. So this is my finished look, and I'm gonna go quickly do my hair. I'll probably do a ponytail because my hair is gonna be wet more than half the time, so I'll keep that in mind.